In today's video, I'll walk you through how to change your age on YouTube. Whether you need to update your birthday information due to an error or want to remove age restrictions. First, open the YouTube app. Then go to You section. Make sure you are logged in onto your YouTube account. Then tap on Manage your Google account. On the next page, navigate to the Personal Info section at the top. Here, you'll find options to update and customize your personal details like your name, phone number, email, and birthday. Now, locate the Birth Date section, tap on it, and you'll be able to edit the day, month, and year of your birth. Just set your birthday. Once you're done, tap the Save button to finalize your changes. Your age has now been successfully updated on YouTube. And there you have it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.